Hello, good morning students. As you have just watched the video of preposition of movement where I showed you some of the prepositions which show or indicate different type of movement, whether it is coming out or in or over or from to. Let us do other preposition of movement. Now coming next is along. Now as you can see, along means you are going together. Can you see the arrow? And you can see the thing, this may be your thing, whatever it is. So you along means I walked along with my parents, means with your parents you are walking. So here I have written, we walked quietly along the beach, means with the beach we kept on walking along. The beach is also there, we are also there. So with along the beach we walk. So you can see the movement is with the thing, whatever we are talking about. It can be your beach, with your parents, anything. Okay, coming next is through. Now through is, you can see the arrow. If you very quietly observe it, the movement of through. Through is when you go inside and then you come out. Okay, so this one, the train went through the tunnel. Many of you must have observed it, that when we move through the tunnel means you have to go inside the tunnel and then come out of the tunnel. So that is through. It can be anything. It can be through the, maybe in your school also some tunnels are there and you move inside and come out of it. Sometimes when you are a kid, maybe you went inside a box and came out of the, so through the thing. Okay, so through means when you go in from inside and then come. I ran through the trees. Maybe there you have gone to a place where there are many trees and you go one from inside the tree and then you come out of the tree, another tree. So through means this is the across. Now coming across, that is you can see when you are going from one end to the other end, that is across, means we swam across the river, or there is a bridge across the river, means from one side to the other side the bridge is built. So across means we swam across the river. It can be the bridge is built across the river, or I ran across the street, means from one side of the street you went to the other side. So as you can see, across the arrow movement is from one side to the other side. Coming towards. Now as we have done to means you have already gone to that, but towards means you are going. The movement is we are going towards the school, means you are driving, maybe going towards, we are going towards the restaurant, or he got up and went towards the teacher, means he walked and went towards the teacher. He is moving, the movement is there. He is walking or she is moving towards the goal, or when you are moving there is a movement. So you can see the dotted line shows that you are moving towards your the goal you want to reach. Okay, over you can see the arrow, it is up above it. Okay, so over, the birds flew over the hill. Okay, so over the fence, or the cat jumped over the fence, or the dog jumped over the table, means from this side to the other side, or we flew over the mountains in the aeroplane. Now coming next is under. Under when you go inside, so you can see the arrow, it is underneath, means you are going inside. I had a bad luck to walk under a ladder, means you have to go under that, or we drove under the bridge. The bridge is there and you are going not over the bridge but under the bridge. Okay, so down part. And the next one is the around. Around means you go moving around, like the earth moves around the sun, or the moon moves around the earth. So we went around and sat in the corner, or we went around the township, means you go on round. The earth moves around the sun. Okay, so these show with the different movement, like we walk quietly along the beach. So along is showing you the movement. With the train went through the tunnel, so that's also showing you the movement. He swam across the river. Preposition of movement. He got up and went towards the teacher. That is also movement. And the birds flew over the hill. That is also movement. And we drove under the bridge. And the last one is the earth moves around the sun. So all these are your movement, preposition of movement. I show you another picture also. Almost similar, you can see. To, from, into, out of, on, off, up, down, along, through, across, towards, over, under, around, for, past. Now here it is past, means you are going past it, out of it. Okay, so in this way these are your preposition of movement. Thank you, children.